Siyempre nakakaano, 'di ba? Na proud tayo sa UHC, pero kung ganito naman ang performance ng primary agency tasked to implement, siyempre they have to be accountable, 'di ba? So leadership, revamp, kailangan leadership change. We have to revamp PhilHealth. Kung hindi, if they do not if they cannot perform up to par, if they do not shape up, di kinakailangan talaga ng pagbabago, no, from ng leadership ng PhilHealth for a fresh start.
So manggagaling yung initiative from the executive dapat yun, sir, yung revamp ng PhilHealth.
Of course, it's the president, it's the executive who appoints, no, the heads of the different agencies, no. So yun, kung hindi pa talaga mag-perform hopefully by end of the year, kung hindi pa mag-shape up, ay dapat siguro magkaroon talaga ng leadership change sa PhilHealth.
So naalala ko, sabi mo baka mag-file ka ng resolution